Hey guys, today it's me here, and today I'm back here with another video. And today I'm actually going to be testing out if these glitter glues will make slime. I got them from Dollar Tree. There's green and green. Yeah, got them from Dollar Tree. They're $1, of course. So yeah, we're going to be testing out if these glitter glues will make slime. So I'm going to be putting these glitter glues in this bottle. In this bowl. Hold on a minute. I'm actually only going to be using one. This silver one. I'm putting it. It takes forever. So I'm not sure if you guys can see some, but there's some there. I actually have my activator right there, and I actually put a little. I'm going to be mixing it up. The activator right here. Okay. This is a bad start, but I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but there is. Look, if I go like that, you guys can see it. I'm put a little bit of more activators. See my activators in here. See my activators. Ooh, I dropped some if I was trying to show you guys. So we're actually going to be putting this activator on here. Okay. So I'm actually trying to mix it up, and I'm actually really trying to mix it up, but there could be a couple more. So there is a little bit more, so I used it, and no, it's not making slime. It's all getting to a crustier thing. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it just turned liquidy. That's all it did. It did not work, so thumbs down. And if you guys want to see more videos, please subscribe. And let's start mixing it more. No, I'm gonna keep on mixing it because you guys know. We need chances, because what if it does work? Nope. Same thing still, but I won't be mixing it with my hand. I'm putting more activator because it still seems like glue. Like regular glitter glue. Nope. Same thing, so this is a bad fail. So please subscribe, give a thumbs up, and comment down below. And you guys actually get to see my face for the first time, so yeah. So comment down below and try this glitter glue. I'm not sure if it's gonna work for you guys. Tell me if it worked or not. But to me, it did not work. Probably because of the activator. I'm sure I did everything correctly, but nah, it's a fail. So I'm gonna be trying it again last time. So yeah. So there's actually a little bit more in here. While mixing it. Nope, same thing. So yeah. Bye guys, I'm gonna go.